How to install the IVO Adjustable Downlight from Gotham Lighting. Before we begin, review the installation manual for a complete list of safety instructions. With the IVO Adjustable family, choose from a broad range of housings for 4-inch and 6-inch adjustable downlights. First, insert the mounting bars into the mounting brackets on each side of the fixture. The universal mounting brackets accept various bar hangers for unlimited installation flexibility. We recommend using an adjustable hole saw for a precise cutout when cutting the ceiling opening. Position the mounting pan in the cutout and secure the mounting bars to the T-bar. Mounting bars can be locked into place by using channel locks. Open the junction box by releasing the door spring and pull the locking tab outward. Note that there are multiple knockouts to accommodate a wide range of conduits in 1/2-inch and 3/4-inch size. Remove any knockout off the junction box to begin feeding power to the fixture. Next, connect the wires together. Push the supply wires back into the junction box and securely close the door with a twist and latch. To tilt the fixture, release the tilt lock lever to aim the optic vertically from 0 degrees to 40 degrees. Utilize the finger recesses in the heatsink to tilt the fixture to the desired angle. Once aimed, relock the tilt lock lever. Tilt angle markings are provided to record the angle for the luminaire. To rotate the fixture, release the rotation lock lever by pulling toward the aperture. Rotate the optic horizontally up to 365 degrees. Once aimed, fully push the rotation lock lever into the locked position. To install the trim to the housing, orient the trim to the aim of the optics. Then compress the trim retention springs toward the aperture and lift the trim into the housing. Ensure the trim is fully seated in the ceiling. For easy serviceability, first remove the finishing trim by gripping the trim and pulling it downward until the springs clear the aperture. Place the tilt at 0 degrees and locate where the LED wire sleeving enters the back of the heatsink. Next, locate the service levers. Using a screwdriver, pry both service levers toward the aperture. Next, pull the module straight down and guide it through the aperture. To remove the driver assembly from the junction box, first unlock the tilt lock lever to orient the mechanism to tilt away from the junction box. While the module hangs from the aperture, remove the driver assembly by pressing down on the latch at the right side of the driver. First, remove the 2 Phillips head screws from the junction box and remove the cover plate to expose the wiring compartment. Then, disconnect the LED module leads from the driver ports and replace the LED module. Next, replace the driver and reconnect the new LED module to the new driver ports. Next, reinstall the driver assembly to the junction box. Then, unlock the tilt lock lever and orient the mechanism to 0 degrees. Unlock the service levers and reinstall the LED module. To replace the optic, twist the optic assembly to the left and pull it down from the aperture. Now, replace the optic. Finally, replace the finishing trim by compressing the trim retention springs and lifting the trim into the housing. To learn more about IVO adjustable downlights, visit gothamlighting.acuitybrands.com.